Otakus with style, here you have KAZUTORA.
On this video I will reproduce his haircut, color and style.
Roll that tape!
To recreate this look is important by starting with the color, so we can get the haircut following the pattern of the color. To bleach the color I will use up to 7 of Redken. I will use foil paper to create this pattern. This will help to get clean separation on the sections and speed the decoloration process. First I will apply the center of the section. This will keep the hair together with the foil so I can apply the rest of the decoloration. After that I will do the roots using the brush on vertical, on a feather style. This will help with the growing stage so we don't get a harsh line. I will finish applying the decoloration on the ends.
Follow me on Instagram if you want to have access to VIP information. It is a great place to see all the styles that I have created already, and then you can pick the ones that you like so you can see it on YouTube. Plus, it's the only way you can enter on all my promotion.
I use a radial sectioning pattern to achieve the KAZUTORA look. Lemon from Paul Pryor, it would be perfect to get the bleach sections the perfect tone. To start this haircut, I will do a section around the perimeter. Then I will carve individual segments starting from the bangs. When you see me looking at the side, is when I'm revisiting the storyboard on my computer to get a confirmation that what I'm doing is perfect. You can do the same thing by following the pictures on the corner to see what I'm trying to achieve.
If you are liking this video, you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.
This style is long on the back and is disconnected from the sides and the top area on the back. So to transition these two areas, I will be using a really cool technique. To cut the layers on the interior part of the style, I will start from the sides, creating two sections and diagonal back. Now you can see why it was so important to do the color first. It makes it very easy for me right now to see the blonde areas that I don't want to cut. Using freeform with the razor blade, I will cut vertically on the dark segments. On the back area, I will use 2 fingers horizontal sections, and I will cut the desired segments. One short, one long, one short, one long. This will help transition from the top to the back. This is the special technique I was telling you guys about it. Observe how these layers look. Great transition. At the end of this video, I will announce to all of you guys which look I'll be doing next week. Don't miss it. I will continue using the same technique with the rest of the hair, preserving the blonde segments and cutting into the dark ones. This style is very original and perfect to create with the sculpting influence. If you are interested on the original Leonardo DiCaprio look from the Titanic, type Leo in the comments and I will make the look for you guys. To dry the hair, I will mix glide with paste and clay. This cocktail from 1821 will give me the control and volume desired to achieve this look. Observe how I use the air of the dryer to create a wave on the nape. Here you have these three friends. Baji is the only one that he doesn't look so happy. I think it's because I haven't done his hair yet. What do you guys think? Using the round brush, I will add some volume on the roots and direction on the ends. Here you can observe the color definition on the segments that we did. You can use the round brush as well to mark the wave on the nape. On dry, I will make selections or individual segments that I like to cut, creating contrast in between the blonde and the dark color. Add the necessary layers on the back to create a personalized finish.
If you're a hair professional, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so you can see all my full tutorials. On this video, I do a step-by-step so you can follow with me.
Using 1821 hairspray, I will separate each segment to reinforce the separation to create the anime look. Thank you for sending this suggestion. It was so much fun making this reproduction. And here you have the next video. Itadori. See you there.
This is Angel Del Solar bending some hair for you.